Mathaini ma kiroko kia umuthi kiharo-ini kia ndege kia Jomo Kenyatta nikuo nyumba na arata a muthaki wa mathako ma ngerekano Gibson Gathu kana Prosecutor magwikinyitie kwamukira mwiri wake kuma thibitari-ini umwe mwena wa Eldoret kuria arahurukiire. Na thutha wa mwiri wake gukinya werekeirio imwe kwa imwe nginyagia nyumba-ini ya kuiga miri yari mbere yake kuhurukio keri ga kiumia twerekeire itura-ini ria Matundura North Kinangop county-ini ya Nyandarua.
No korwo gwe kindu Gibson tungimuririkana nakio muno makiria ni kindu gitagwo discipline na character. Tondu maundu mau gutiri handu ungirathire igwe Gib ni aguciarithiria kana ni athianga ati ugu na ni ari mundu wa kurunga mundu ategwetherera oro.
Also the best grandfather to my children. My kids still don't understand why they won't see him again.
Nyumba-ini yari arata na andu aria mararutithanagia wira nake ni mamugwetete ta mundu urari mwendi andu na ninge ta mundu urari na kio na ndarari na muthutukanio.
Because any time the dialysis was done, his BP would hit ground zero. So the last one, the doctor said, he could not do another dialysis. It was painful.
Andu a nyumba yake maugite gikuo giake ni igutha inene kuona niwe urari gitugi kia mucii magikinyiriria ati wega wake ndukariganira.
I gave him my kidney and I would still do it again. If I could, I would even give him my heart for him to survive. He has been the best father, the best cheerleader.
Protected us as a family. He has been a good provider, a good grandfather, a loving one. Words cannot tell.
Gathu ahurukire tariki 22 mweri-ini uyu thibitari-ini umwe mwena wa Eldoret thutha wake gukorwa gumeirwo ni murimu wa higo kwa ihinda.
Times you could see him even crying, tears could come out of his eyes. And there are times that he could even bite his lips and even at times bite his tongue because he was in a lot of pain.
Gibson Gathu kana Prosecutor egutura aririkanitwo kumana na mithako yake ya gucanjamura ngoro cia aingi makimugana ta mundu urari mwendi andu no tarari na muthutukanio wira-ini wake. Kiribotera Kameme TV kuma county-ini ya Nairobi. Ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.